My lady, apologize. I just didn't want to.
Philomena Mudhama is where?
My lady, apologize. I just didn't.
The defense will commence on Monday 27th, and that's for the week. To facilitate the defense, I've ordered for the witness summons for all the witnesses indicated by their counsels, which is on record, as per the record. And then the list and the statements of defense witnesses and any evidentiary material should be availed to the ODPP and the advocates for the victims within 3 days of today. I've said the counsel for the fifth accused to avail his witnesses their report, and the statement of the fifth accused, that is the one he wishes to rely on, by Monday 27th and Wednesday 29th September respectively.